Welcome everyone to this video, and I want to show you how to perform a ZTE Wi-Fi password change. Let's go to my laptop screen. Now I will connect to the Wi-Fi signal or SSID of this ZTE router. It's connecting. Now it's connected. Now I type the IP address of the ZTE router. Alright. Now I will log in to the user interface. Now I am in. So now I will go to the Wi-Fi settings right here. And this is the SSID or Wi-Fi name. You can edit and change it, but let's focus on the Wi-Fi password change. So I will erase this and type a new password. Let me scroll up and I click on apply. And this means any device connected to this ZTE router will disconnect because I have done this ZTE router Wi-Fi password change. Now, if you look down here, my laptop has disconnected from the Wi-Fi. Now I will connect again, and I expect it to prompt me to enter a new Wi-Fi password. And now it does. So I enter the new Wi-Fi password I just created. Now I will refresh the page, and there you have it. This is how to perform a ZTE router Wi-Fi password change. And I want to encourage you guys to subscribe to the channel so that when I drop detailed reviews like this, you will be notified instantly. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.